These are micro inverters? Is that what
these are micro inverters?
Yeah. There's a ground wire to all the racks. The wiring go from this box down into the pipe? Ah, this box to that pipe. Oh, you're registering serial numbers for each panel?
Yeah, so some of them, they won't come with the barcodes, so I'm writing it down so that way when they commission and they say if panel 18 was to go out, then they know exactly which one to come find and then which one to take out.
I see. Oh, because my controller is going to say panel 18.
Yeah, so on your controller, it'll say like panel 6 was empowering. Or
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I see.
And then right here, you'll be able to detect exactly which one.
And I'm going to get a sheet breakdown of the panel numbers?
Yeah, we'll give you one if you want.
Oh, definitely. And will it tell me the performance of each panel or no?
Performance, I believe it's 400 watts per panel.
That's awesome. But I mean, because this beast is going to be blocking panels all the time. And I'm just curious how much it's going to impact me. And I'm wondering, can I see...
that one, when we connect everything on the inverter and then through the Wi-Fi, when your inspector comes, they'll give you all the information. So then they'll tell you the kilowatt of each panel. Then you can do the calculation. There's 9 on this side. They're telling you about 180 kilowatt per panel. Do the 180 times 9, and then accumulate to tell you how much kilowatt.
So it'll tell you how much. Actually, that's helpful. It'll tell me how much kilowatt this side's producing and how much that's producing.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can calculate or divide by whatever the number is.
Yeah.
9.
Well, it's 9 and 9. So now I can tell during the morning when this thing's being blocking over there, I can see how much loss of efficiency on that side. And then the afternoon when this gets blocked, I can see the efficiency.
So when you connect the Wi-Fi to the box, it's
Uh-huh.
going to be for the app, and then you're going to be able to see the kilowatt, you can see the
Perfect.
wattage,
For each of the nine
yeah.
panel sections.
Whatever's missing, like for instance, when this is blocking this, it will tell you you're losing kilowatt right here in this section.
Oh, it'll tell you that too. Okay. Excellent. Thank you.